You have all 5 parts done now, so now you just need to make all 5 parts different colors. That way it'll be easy to assemble them later. You can choose whatever colors you want, or you can use the ones I use in my video. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my tab over here with OnShape. Move that out of the way. Okay, so I got block 1. Make them whatever color you guys want. I would recommend not using like the dark black, because when you do it that way, so when you right click and you say edit appearance, when you do black, you can't see the lines very well on there. So like use this really like almost black one right here so you can see your lines better. Okay, so I'm going to use that one there. Okay, right here, I'm going to right click on the part. I'm going to edit appearance. Let's just make this one blue. Block 3, right click on the part, edit appearance, choose another color, red. Block 4, right click on it, edit appearance, let's go orange. Block 5, right click on it, edit appearance, let's go green. So basically, if you choose to use black, use that one in the bottom right, so that way you can still see your lines on here a little better. Other than that, just make sure you use a different color for all 5 blocks.